Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a video. Want to apologize about that. Been pretty busy. I'm exhausted right now. I've been riding all day. The City Slicker has been sold, gone. I'll kind of do a video soon explaining what I thought about the City Slicker. The bike was a good bike. The only problem was the battery, which is a different manufacturer other than Zongshin and CSC. It's a different group of people. So if you want to buy one, you just got to call CSC and ask them about the battery status. There's a bug on there. Oh, there's a bug on my camera. If you want to buy a City Slicker, call them up and ask them. Once they fix the battery, it should be fine. You know, the battery issue. So I don't know if it's fixed or not. You're gonna have to ask them about that. So I went ahead and sold it. I've got the new bike right behind the camera. What do you guys think it is? When I was going to replace it, you know, the City Slicker is based off the Grom, the Honda Grom. So I looked at maybe I should get a Grom. But the problem with the Grom is you cannot go on the highway. Huh? See where I'm going? So what I've done is I've gone up one step from the Grom. Well, actually 2 steps, because there are two bikes above it. So we're gonna do the reveal. You ready? I'm gonna swing the camera around. Da, 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 da. The new bike is here. Boom. The 2020 Honda CB300. This is one of the first 50 made. And it's all mine, baby. That's right. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful matte blue, like an electric blue. 41 mm forks, Showa forks. And when you turn it on, it says, "Let's ride." Let's ride. Isn't that nice? Nice display. Just does not have a gear indicator. But it is City Slicker-like in a lot of ways. You know, naked bike. And you can see where the City Slicker borrowed these. And look at this beautiful headlamp. Let's turn her on. Look at that LED. Beautiful LED. LEDs all the way around. It's got standard ABS now in 2020. There's your ABS wheel. And I just drove it back from another city in Texas, and boy, it handled just fine on the highway. Just fine. Not really good past 70, but 70 and below, just fine. So we got the bronze gold type rims, and this is right off the showroom floor. So that's just dirt from my ride coming home. But so here we go. I think it's really comfortable. The seat's a little hard, but other than that, the suspension is great. It rode great. It looks great. Can't tell you how happy I am, and so we need to get the channel back on track and get some videos made. And now with this, I can go more places around here. So at some point, I would like to get another electric bike, but to get a Zero right now is too expensive for me. I could have paid 12 grand for a Zero base model S, but you're talking 13 grand after taxes, and then it cannot go very much farther than the Zero. So I'm gonna wait until electric bikes improve performance, range, and then come down in price, of course. So, all right, guys, thanks very much. Really appreciate all my subscribers. Sorry for the gap there. I just couldn't, my heart wasn't into it until I had a solution. I got another bike. You know, I needed something that worked. So I think I've done good. With this, I've thrown the most expensive small bike I can get. So throw money at the problem and try making me a better, more reliable transportation unit. And it certainly looks better. So thanks for watching, guys.